A rising tide lifts all boats. Is your business, is supersizing and growing your business lifting others? Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. And our idiom today is a rising tide lifts all boats. Now, this is an interesting idiom. It hasn't been around that long. It's just been around since John F. Kennedy was a senator. And his speechwriter wrote him a speech, and he was delivering a speech about to combat the criticism of a project, a dam project, that people were accusing him of it being a pork barrel project, meaning an unnecessary project that was just about money. Anyway, he is often accredited with using this idiom and this expression and he did definitely make it popular. Rising tide lifts all boats. He said it several times throughout his career as a senator as well as president, in many speeches and in many conversations that he had, meaning that when one group or one thing improves and prospers, it has a positive impact on other things. So when the tide rises, obviously all the boats get higher up, right? And that is the thinking. It turns out that he did not actually make this up. He didn't come up with this, neither did his speechwriter. He heard it in a New England towns or New England villages or cities slogan, and it resonated with him, so he started repeating it and using it because it does provide vivid imagery in terms of the impact that we can have in the world by building and growing and supersizing our business, right? When we're creating something positive in the world, it doesn't just lift us up, it lifts up all the people that are a part of our organization, all of the people that we provide products, services, and solutions for. It helps to improve their lives. So when it also helps us to set a good example and encourage other people to do the same by building and growing and supersizing our business, by providing solutions, valuable solutions to people, by helping other people. We help more than just the people we help, because we have a ripple effect that impacts sometimes the entire world. So, love to know your thoughts about this particular idiom and expression. Have you ever heard it? Have you ever used it? I, was very, very little when President Kennedy was still alive, so I don't recall hearing it. I also don't know that I've ever used this expression, but I understand it. I think it's got great visual appeal, and I think it's something that people can really relate to. And it encourages us to remember we live in this abundant universe, that there's more than enough, there's plenty to go around for absolutely every single one of us, so we can have an abundance mindset. And when we have an abundance mindset, when we're positive, when we're open-minded, when we're generous, when we're grateful for what we've got, all of those things help to make the world a better place. And that's my aim when it comes to supersizing and growing my businesses, is how many people can I positively impact with this project, this product, this service, this solution, this company, this business, etc. That's it. I like this idiom. I hope you do too. If you don't, that's your prerogative, just like everything is. We can see the positive or the negative. The opposite of this is, of course, a lowering tide sinks or lowers all ships, right? So when we don't succeed, when we fail at doing something, we can also demonstrate our resilience and our consistency and our ability to bounce back from defeats and from challenges, because that's a good example too, and makes the world a better place. All right, have an awesome day. If I can help you in any way, ask. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow. Another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? If it's known, and I don't know where this slogan this was originally a city slogan, but I'm not sure exactly, because of course the internet likes John F. Kennedy better than some random thought of it coming from we don't know where or who came up with it. All right, have an awesome day. I'll of course be with you tomorrow.